video number 29. So what do I have here? We have the chromatic scale. So, how to play the chromatic scale? C with your first finger, C sharp with your third, and then first, third, first, and now you have the white key. So, when you have the white key, you need to use the second finger. And then you keep on going with the third, first, 3, 1, 3, 1, then again white key. So the white key, when there are two white keys in a row, you need to play, you need to use the second finger. Yeah, so 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Here you have the white key, so and you need to use the second finger for the white key if there are two white keys in a row. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and then C with your second finger. And then we go down backwards. B with your first, B flat third, once again A, 3, 1, 3, and here is F with your second finger. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, and then you finish on the first finger because you don't need to go any lower. So once again, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, and then backwards. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, and finish on the first. And then with your left hand, which starts on the third line, so you have C with your first finger, C sharp with your third. So once again, C first, C sharp third. Once again, 1, 3, and then E with your second finger. So basically the same fingers that you were using when you played the C chromatic scale descending with your right hand. And now I will be using the same fingers that you were using in the C chromatic scale with your right hand when you were playing the ascending scale. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. So basically the main idea that if there are two white keys in a row, you use your second fingers. That's it. It's easy as that. Let's go further.